Hello everyone, this is Miguel with SoCal Watch Reviews. You may know me from other videos such as reviewing a Grand Seiko and perhaps the Rolex collection, but none of them compare to what we're going to review today. Yes, Scameti send out one of their watches. The icon in this watch is far superior than anything that's been on the channel. Rolex, Grand Seiko, and I haven't featured a Patek or an AP, but this by far way superior. Anyway, let's get into the unboxing of this watch. So as you can see, this box right here is very, very high end. What is this? Dear Gullible Inflo. Hey, look, we don't have time for that. Scameti International Warranty Card. Beautiful. All right. Your luxury Scameti purchase is covered against manufacturing defects for 30 seconds. Well, I guess that is up. And what is this? Oh, this is pretty cool. Magnet. A certificate of authenticity. Congratulations. You are now the proud owner of a luxury Scameti timepiece. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, wait a minute. That's pretty gross. Yeah, let's, I don't know what that is. Let's just put that aside. But look at this timepiece. Wow. That is nice. Guys, I don't know if Genta copied this design. I mean, I know Scameti's probably been around for centuries, and yeah, I don't know. I just get into the specifications of this watch because that dial is just incredible. 38mm case diameter. This is revolutionary, guys. It's 9.5mm thick, and it has a fragile crystal, so let's not talk about that. The movement, it is a revolutionary highest of the high Japanese Miyota quartz movement. This is a revolutionary movement, and honestly, this has Rolex killing performance. Now, water resistance, well, 0 meters. But that doesn't matter now, does it? Because look at it glow. Look at it shine. It is beautiful. Look at that bracelet. Does that remind you of the Nautilus? Again, I think the Nautilus probably took a page out of the Scameti book. Now, let's talk about some of the exclusive features. As you saw, 30-second warranty, eternity shipping. It takes forever to get to you. Certificate of authenticity, and of course, they eliminate the middleman. With that out of the way, you get to save a ton of money. These watches are available in the Scameti website. Probably going to sell out. They're going to be harder to get than a Rolex. So if I was you, I would just simply run over there and just order not one, not two, just order the whole collection. They have a green dial, they have a blue dial with beautiful, innovative, different names to these dials and to these models. I mean, I can't get enough of this watch. This for me is going to be an heirloom. It's going to be passed down from generation to generation. I mean, it might break down on me next week, but I'll still keep it as a relic. So if you haven't heard already, I mean, there's Vincero, there's Movement out there. No, don't even pay attention to those guys. These guys are the real middlemen killers. I mean, that dial is just incredible. I can't get enough. And the construction is subpar, but I still think it's better than a Rolex. So yeah, I mean, I just wanted to make a quick video, a quick unboxing video, and just a quick overview. It's not even a review. This is not paid sponsorship at all. So yeah, you guys know I'm a big influencer, and you know, people listen to me. If I tell you to buy something, if I tell you something's good, hey, pleasure doing business with you. These people are so gullible, they're gonna buy it all up. Pleasure doing business.